Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start. Today, we shall learn how to construct graphical scale. Now, I shall present my screen. Remember, we have been learning Chapter 2, Map Scale, of your NCERT textbook, Practical Geography textbook. So, here, this is the name of the activity construction of graphical scale. So, we have an activity number 5 here. Construct a graphical scale when the given RF is 1 is to 85,000 and read the distances in miles and the furlongs. Okay, the RF of the scale is 1 is to 85,000 and we have to read the graphical scale, okay, in miles and the furlongs. Okay, British system. So before we construct the graphical scale, we need some calculation. Okay, so here we have calculations. By convention, the length of the scale should be between 4 to 6 inches, and thus a round number should be gauged, which could be represented by a length between 4 inches and 6 inches. In general, okay, as mentioned here, the length of the linear scale, for example, this is the linear scale. Okay, the length of the linear scale must be between, so this is okay, the length of the linear scale must be between 4 to 6, maximum 6 inches, minimum 4 inches. Okay, so this is the rule. And so here is the calculation. So a scale of the map is 1 is to 85,000. It implies that 85,000 inches are represented by 1 inch. Okay, according to this RF, 85,000 inches are represented by 1 inch. That means, as I told you yesterday, so this is the map. Okay, so this RF means that a unit of distance on the map, okay, represents what? 85,000 units of distance on the ground. In other words, okay, 1 inch, distance of 1 inch on the map represents 85,000 inches on the ground. Okay, therefore, 63,360 inches, that is 1 mile, okay, would be represented by, okay, 1 by 85,000 multiplied by 63360. That means we have to divide, okay, this 63360 by 85,000, and we have got 0.745. That means if 85,000 inches are represented by inch, okay, by 1 inch, then 63,360 inches would be represented by 0.745 inch. Okay, if 85,000 inches are represented by 1 inch, then 63,360 inches would be represented by 0.745 inches. That means we have to divide, okay, this value by the scale factor here. So hence 8 miles will be represented by, okay, here you may assume, okay, any, it may be 6, it may be 5, 7 or 8. So hence 8 miles will be represented by 8 into this value. Okay, I multiplied by 0.745 is equal to 5.96 inches. So the length of the graphical scale will be 5.96. So after taking the round number, the length of the scale should be 6 inches. Okay, so this will be the suitable length for drawing the graphical scale. So here we have the construction procedure. Okay, what to do? First, we have to draw a line AV of 6 inches and divide it into 8 equal parts, as you see here. Okay, first we have to draw a line AB, okay, of 6 inches, and we have to divide this line AB into 8 equal parts with the help of the following methods. So from A, let us read first. Okay, from A, draw line AC. See here, draw line AC is here, so this is C. Okay, this line from A, draw line AC so that angle CAB is about 20 or 25 degrees. So the angle form here, okay, may be so the angle form here should be either 20 or 25, or maybe between 20 and 25 degree. Okay, and now divide the line AC, this line AC, into 8 equal parts with the help of pair of dividers. Okay, and if the line AC is taken to be equal to 4 inches, then 8 divisions can be made on it easily with the help of a scale by making points at intervals of 1.2 inch. Or simply you can use a divider. Okay, I think divider, you may be knowing divider. Okay, the pointed one, and simply using the divider you can mark along this line. Okay, and after dividing this line AC into I division, mark this line. Okay, mark the points as I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and the last one is C. And join C with B. Okay, C with B. C is here. C is here. Okay, C with B. And through the other points, see, other points are here. Okay, these are the other points I, J. Okay, through the other point, these are the other points. And through the other point, with the help of this set square, draw lines parallel to CV, and this will divide AB into 8 equal parts. Okay, and each of these primary divisions will represent 1 mile, as you see here. Okay, this is a primary division, this is another primary, this is another primary. So each primary division represents what? 1 mile. Okay, that means 1 mile, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 miles. And this is known as secondary division. Okay, and divide the first primary into 8 equal parts. And each division here, okay, here in this case, will represent 1 furlong. Okay, so 1 furlong is equal to 220 yards. And 1 year is equal to 3 feet. Okay, and each end of the first primary, which is to be divided, erect perpendicular lines. Okay, one above the line and other below it. Just see here in the, say here, this is the first primary, and here just erect one perpendicular line and erect another line. Okay, in this way, as given here, one above and other below it. And mark of these perpendiculars at equal distances and join the points of division, and thus form as shown in the given figure. So this is the ultimate product. Okay, and this is what I call linear scale or graphical scale. Okay, now let us see. Now let us draw. So tell me what to do. First of all, what to do? As per the calculation, okay, first we have to draw, sorry, first we have to draw a line. Okay, so with a length of this 6 inch, so the length of this line should be it should be 6 inch. Okay, and this line is named as A and B. Okay, this is line A and B with a length of 6 inch. And after this, what to do? From this point, okay, from this particular point, we have to measure an angle of 20 or 25. Okay, so for example, this is 25. 25 is here. And after this, we have to draw another line. Okay, another line. So this is the another line. Okay, and this line may be of any length. Okay, this one may be of this any length. Okay, let me erase it. Sorry. Okay, so let me proceed. First, we have to draw line AB with a length of 6 inch, then measure 20 or 25 degree from this point and draw another line. Okay, so this line we may name it AC. Okay, and what to do? You using a divider, we have to divide this line AC into this height equal division. Okay, height equal division. Let us say so. This is the first one. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in this way we have mark 8 points. Okay, and what to do? These points we may mark it what? I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and the last one is C. Okay, after this we have to join these. How many points we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the last should be C. Actually, P must be, it can be removed. Okay, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the C. And here we may join this, the last point, okay, with B here in this way. Okay, then using a divider, two dividers we need. Okay, we need two dividers, and so we may give say for example For example, this is the line, okay, and this is the last one. So we need two set square, and these are the points, let us say. So we need to give one set square. For example, this is the set square, okay? This is the set square, and we need to put another set square, okay, like this. Suppose this is another set square. Let us say this is another set square. Okay, so this is the another set square, and so this is the first set square. Okay, this is the first set square, and this is another set square. We have to keep like this. And what to do? You have to glide. You have to hold this set square. Okay, you have to press set square 2, and you have to glide set square 1 towards yourself, towards this direction. Okay, so this is the direction of sliding. So let me try. Okay, so after sliding, the edge of this set square, when the edge of this set square touch the first point here, then you have to draw a parallel line here. Okay, so in this way again you slide it towards yourself and draw another parallel line in this way. Okay, so let us try to the original one. What to do? We have to give our set square. So I have kept the set square along the line CB. Okay, and I am sliding the set square towards myself, and at this time, okay, at this time what to do? So I have drawn a line, okay, in this way, and again we have to continue. Okay, we have to continue the same process. So this is the another one, this is another one, this is another one. Okay, so in this way, we have divided line AB into these equal divisions. Okay, see here, these are the points. Okay, these are the points. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this line AB has been divided into 8 equal division. Then, so this is the primary divisions. These are the primary divisions, and here the first primary to be divided into this secondary. Okay, what to do? Then see, we have to erect perpendiculars. Okay, we have to erect perpendiculars using the set square. Okay, just erect one perpendicular above the line like this, and another perpendicular down below the line AB. Then again we have to divide these perpendiculars into these 8 equal divisions. Okay, so let us divide 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and here also 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you may number this, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first one is 1, then this is 2, then okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one is 8. And so we have to join the first with the last one. Okay, we have to join the first with the last one. So for example, here this is the first one. Okay, and then this is the last one. So we have to join the first with the last one. Sorry. Okay, this way. The second one, third one, fifth, six, 7, then 8. Okay, the last one. Actually, the last one must touch this area, this point. And so we have divided the first primary into secondaries. That means into 8 equal divisions. And what to do after this? We need to erect, okay, small perpendicular lines here at the last terminal, okay, at the last point here. So let me use black, and here also. And after that, just join the two lines, okay, uh, here, and erect perpendicular lines from here, from the this O also, from here also, okay, and here, and from here also. Just at the point of intersection, you must erect these perpendicular lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the last one is 8. Okay, so the first one is this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 miles. Okay, and here also you may just write the first one is 1, then 2, 4, 6, and 8. So this side represents furlongs. Okay, and as given in as mentioned earlier, to make it distinct, we may draw a line here in the middle, that is between the primary line and the line above it, like this. Okay, yeah, and here also in the along the primary, sorry, in the first primary also, one in this way. Alternately, okay, you may draw lines here. And just above or below it, you may write RF, okay, 1 is to 85,000. So in this way, this graphical scale is constructed, okay. As you have seen earlier, okay, so this is the ultimate product, okay. So we have to draw like this. And the process already mentioned. So this is the process already mentioned, already read out. Remember, we have to divide the length, okay, the line AB having the length of 6 inches into 8 equal division using this method. And after that, the first primary is to be divided into 8 equal divisions again using this method. Okay, after drawing perpendicular lines in this way, and ultimately you will get this. So are you clear? Any question from your side, boys and girls?
No, sir.
Okay, then for today, let us stop for here. Let us stop here for today. Thank you very much for joining my class.